The 2021 Acura NSX is the latest in a long line of high-performance sports cars from Acura, the luxury division of Honda. The NSX has a long, storied history that dates back to the original NSX that was released in the early 1990s. The 2021 NSX is the latest iteration of the iconic vehicle, and it features a powerful hybrid powertrain, advanced technologies, and a sleek design that make it one of the most desirable sports cars on the market today. Welcome back to DeFx4. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's get started. The NSX is a supercar that has been gaining traction in the automotive world for its outstanding performance and reliability. It is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V6 engine with 3 electric motors and a 9-speed dual-clutch transmission. The NSX is a technological marvel, with its advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and precision-tuned chassis. The NSX has been praised by automotive enthusiasts around the world for its performance and reliability, making it one of the most reliable supercars on the market today. The engine. The Acura NSX is a reliable supercar due to its advanced powertrain. The NSX is powered by a twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces 573 horsepower and 476 lb-ft of torque. The engine is mated to a 9-speed dual-clutch transmission that provides smooth and precise shifting. The powertrain allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the market. It also has an EPA-estimated fuel economy rating of 21 miles per gallon city/22 mpg highway. This combination provides excellent performance and is highly efficient, with an EPA-estimated fuel economy rating of 22 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. The NSX also features an advanced all-wheel drive system that allows for excellent traction and stability in all driving conditions. The design. The 2021 Acura NSX has a low, muscular stance that gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. It has a low, sloping hood and a long, tapered rear end. The body is made of aluminum and carbon fiber, giving it a light yet rigid structure. The exterior of the vehicle has been designed to be aerodynamic, with vents, scoops, and spoilers that help reduce drag and improve performance. Inside, the cabin is comfortable and well appointed, with leather upholstery and a wide range of technology features. The vehicle also has an adjustable suspension system that allows the driver to select from a range of driving modes, from comfort to sport. The NSX also features 4-wheel independent suspension and adaptive dampers that help to provide a smooth ride. The NSX also features active aerodynamics that help to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. The NSX is a formidable performer on the track. It has a sophisticated all-wheel drive system that sends power to all 4 wheels, allowing the vehicle to corner and accelerate with remarkable agility. The suspension system has been tuned to provide a comfortable yet responsive ride, and the brakes are powerful and sure-footed. The features. The NSX comes equipped with a wide range of features that make it both luxurious and technologically advanced. The interior has an infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen display and a premium sound system. The NSX features a suite of driver assistance technologies that include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. The NSX also features a pre-collision warning system and automatic emergency braking that can help to prevent collisions. The NSX also features an advanced airbag system that provides excellent protection in the event of an accident. The NSX also features an infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The NSX is a reliable and technologically advanced supercar that is sure to impress. In conclusion, the 2021 Acura NSX is the most reliable supercar due to its advanced powertrain, chassis, suspension, safety, and technology features. The NSX is powered by a highly efficient hybrid powertrain and features an advanced all-wheel drive system. The NSX also features a lightweight aluminum frame and a precision-tuned suspension system. An impressive sports car that combines a powerful hybrid powertrain, advanced technologies, and a sleek design into a single package. The vehicle has impressive performance and a comfortable interior, making it one of the most desirable sports cars on the market today. The 2021 NSX is a worthy successor to the iconic original, and it is sure to be a favorite among luxury sports car enthusiasts.